How to connect Claude to Instagram. So if you want to go ahead and connect your Claude to Instagram, there are very fun ways to do so. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to the top left section that says customize. And over here, you're going to go to connectors. Now, usually in connectors, this is where you're generally going to find the different connectors that you can add for yourself. Now, when it comes to Instagram, now that is a subjective matter because Instagram usually does not have a direct connection through with Claude. Although there are different types of softwares that you can use to make that connection. Now, in this case, we have Super Metrics Marketing Analytics that you can use to connect to Claude. And by connecting something like this to Claude, this is an MCP server that connects itself to Instagram. And once that is done, what you do is you get your Instagram analytics in real time. So there's no direct connection, but you can use different directories through the different connectors on Claude to do so. And all you're going to need to do to research those connectors is just search in Instagram. And once you search in Instagram for yourself, as you can see, you get different types of metrics over here to work your way around with. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.